Hello everyone, I'm Justin Salisbury. I fill the role of president at Breeze Thru Car Wash, and I'm here to go over the Breeze Thru Foundation Fund Q1 report for 2024. The purpose of this fund is to invest in the betterment of employees' lives, and each one of you that are contributing to this fund change the outcomes of countless lives year over year. Things that affect housing for our employees, medical needs, vehicle assistance, educational needs, personal and familial needs. You are the difference maker in these people's lives. So to date, we have an account balance of $39,610. Congratulations to everybody that's been contributing. That is a phenomenal achievement. From $0 to almost $40,000, you guys are crushing it. There's a projected contribution to this account in the amount of $18,000 plus for the coming 12 months. That's if we maintain the contribution levels to date. That may change. There is an average of $701 currently per pay period contributed to the Breeze Thru Foundation Fund across the company. Every department, every location has been contributing, with the lowest contribution at 1.6% of that entire pool and the highest being 22%. The contribution per employee per paycheck has an average of $3.52 per employee contributing to the fund currently. Think about what $3.52 could buy anybody, yet your generosity is contributing to the Breeze Thru Foundation Fund to invest in the betterment of employees' lives. The smallest contribution starts at about $1.05 a paycheck, and the largest contribution is $7.34. Big time props to everybody out there contributing. That is a wonderful achievement. Are you passionate about the Breeze Thru Foundation Fund? Do you care to help guide the fund into the future? If so, I want you to know we're starting to look at how to create a committee to help make some of these decisions. If you're somebody in any position in this company and you have an interest, email me directly at justin@breezethrucarwash.com. Hope to hear from you soon. I'll check in with you in Q2. Thank you.